In 1970, on Mahashivratri day in Puttaparthi, Swami blessed the first packet of Shivranjani, and since then it has been a favorite among Satyasai devotees. The scent of Vibhuti, the fragrance of Shivranjani.
श्री गुरु चरणम भव दुख हरणम सत्य साई स्मरणम स्मरणम पति साई स्मरणम।